Alright guys, today I'm going to be installing the SIDEWINDER 3 motor and ESC combo into my Traxxas Rustler. First, I'm going to mount the ESC right here. Okay, so the ESC is mounted into place, and I put the on and off switch right there in that corner. Now I have to open up the receiver box and stick this wire into channel 2. Okay, the receiver box is off. Now I have to unscrew these 2 screws. Okay, now that is off. Now I'm gonna wrap this around here. Then put it through here. And into channel 2. Okay, that's into channel 2. Now I'm gonna close the receiver box back up. Now that the receiver box is closed, I'm gonna now install the motor. And to install the motor, you have to take off the right rear wheel, and then to get into the gearbox, you have to unscrew 2 screws. Okay, the wheel and the gearbox cover is off. Now to install the motor, you have to go on the other side of the gearbox and put the motor through there. Then you have to put the pinion gear on. I'm going to be putting a 28 tooth pinion gear, and this is an 86 tooth spur gear. And to tighten the motor up, you put 2 screws there and 1 there. Now that the motor is installed and the pinion gear is on there, now I'm going to put the gearbox cover back on and the wheel. Now that the wheel is back on and the gearbox cover is back on, now I'm going to install these wires into the ESC. The wires go through the back shock tower, then they go into the ESC Okay, now the wires are into the ESC, and to turn it on, first you connect your battery to your ESC. When that's connected, then you turn on the ESC. Then you turn on your transmitter. And now it's ready to run.